Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Power on the SoundLink Mini and charge it to at least 30% so Bluetooth isn't interrupted. On your computer, enable Bluetooth and confirm drivers are installed. This prevents discovery failures. Once done, decide whether you want wireless pairing or a wired connection via a 3.5 cable. Wired skips pairing but requires the audio jack. Now move to pairing mode on the speaker so your computer can find it and continue. You'll now perform the pairing. Press the Bluetooth button on the SoundLink Mini to enter pairing mode. The LED will flash. On your computer, open Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device or Pair New Device. Wait for Bose SoundLink Mini to appear. Select it and accept the pairing prompt or enter PIN 0000 if requested. If you prefer wired audio, plug a 3.5 cable into the speaker and computer. Make sure the computer's audio output is set to that connection. You're almost done. Set the SoundLink Mini as your default playback device in the computer sound settings and play a test file to confirm. Adjust both the computer and speaker volume levels and check the app's output device selection if audio is still absent. If connection problems persist, remove the speaker from paired devices, restart your computer's Bluetooth service or the machine, update Bluetooth drivers, and then repair. This sequence resolves most stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.